Ingredients, obviously potato gnocchi. I've got some chicken stock or chicken seasoning. If you ever do a roast chicken, use this as a seasoning. That's a Vegeta brand. Some dried basil, cream, a couple of cloves of garlic, a couple of sprigs of spring onion, and extra virgin Sana olive oil. Okay, simple ingredients. Let's get cooking. Okay, now just in a pot, wok, whatever, I'm going to throw in some of the spring onions. In goes our garlic. Now, I'm going to cook this garlic for about 1 or 2 minutes. You don't want to burn garlic because it'll be bitter. Okay, in goes our chicken stock. It's about a cup. Okay, now I've added 1 bottle of cream, which I think is about 375ml. I'm going to bring this up to the boil, turn it down. Then I'm going to add the potato gnocchi, and then we're going to cook that for about 5 or 6 minutes. Before I put the gnocchi, I've got to put some basil. This is just dry basil. Usually when you use dry herbs, cook them off for a bit, or fry them off for a little bit. I'm not going to put too much. It takes away the bitterness. Now I'm just putting it straight in here. It doesn't really matter for this sort of dish. So now this has come to the boil, as you can see. I'm going to add my potato gnocchi. Okay, now my gnocchi's cooked. Now what I'm going to do, I've actually added some pecorino cheese as well. Now don't use too much salt if you're going to use pecorino cheese because it's pretty salty. You can use Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to put some shredded cheddar cheese as well. And then we're going to put obviously cheese on top, or we're going to brown it off. Take a look at that, guys. Now obviously the cheese is thickened it up. I'm going to cook it for a little bit more now. Okay, it's time to fill up this bacon dish. This is very creamy. So I'm going to fill this up, not quite to the top, and then put the cheese on top, which I'll show you after I've done this. So we'll just continue with this, as you see the cheese is stringy there, and I'll show you put the cheese on top. Now we're just going to sprinkle some cheese on the top. Just like that. Now you can put this under a broiler if you wanted to. It's up to you. In the oven, put the oven on full blast. So let's brown this cheese off and see the final dish. And there you have it, my friends. Creamy potato gnocchi. So I've just browned the cheese, a bit of spring onion on top. When you take it out of the oven or wherever you brown the cheese, let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Just take a look at that. Nice and creamy. Now, like I said, don't add too much salt. The chicken stock's got enough salt, so is a pecorino cheese or Parmesan. I'm going to enjoy half of this. You can put it as a side, as a main meal. It's up to you. It's quite filling. Give it a go. Check out my other food recipes, which I'll put an end screen at on the video there. I've got other food recipes. Check them out. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you later.